What's going on, everybody? Look, I want to talk to you about this Opus.Pro. I know I've mentioned it several times. You've seen it on my Instagram. If you watch the YouTube channel, you've seen the reels. But everything that you see on Instagram that's coming through, I'm using Opus Clip from my videos to generate these shorts. And I'm going to show you how you can literally take a regular video or two videos or whatever. Make one project, just take a video, make a project, and break down your clips and go through and check your highlights, see which ones you feel are interesting, right, to save or to post. And then you can choose, and then you can go to your calendar and absolutely schedule everything to almost all of your social signals, whether it be X or IG, TikTok, if they're kind of dead, but I think they're coming back for 90 days. You got, who else? Oh, and YouTube, obviously. So yeah, definitely check that out. I'm telling you, I use this religiously now, right? I use this religiously now. I schedule everything through here. And I mean, you can literally help yourself a ton by having this stuff self-scheduled out for you. It makes things way more efficient. Sometimes I'm just like, oh shoot, I forgot I posted today already. So when I go through and I'm taking my own stuff, like I'm doing my own pictures, or I'm doing something on the fly, like if I'm riding or I'm taking pictures or whatnot, or taking some video clips, you know, I go to post it and I'm just like, oh crap, I've already posted like 1 or 2 times today already, so I didn't even see that. But you know, it just helps you remain consistent. So I would definitely say check it out. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Now I do have my affiliate link in the on my IG on YouTube as well. I'm not really sure. I think they just give us extra credits if you use the link to sign up through Opus. I think they just give me extra credit. They don't actually pay me. I think they just give you extra credit if you, for like the affiliate thing. So check it out. Do like I think they still do have like a free 7-day trial or whatnot. You can try it out. I'm telling you, once you start it and you see how it works, you're just like, you will be amazed. You'll be like, holy crap, you went from not being able, or to making one video thinking like, okay, this is the video that I have for the month, not knowing that you could turn that one video into multiple clips of content for your social media. So like I'm saying, sometimes I can get maybe half a month, maybe a couple weeks, possibly, of footage from like maybe a 10-15 minute video. But it just depends on what you're looking for as well. So definitely check it out. I'm telling you, you will not go wrong with Opus. Sign up for free, test it out, check it out. Use my affiliate code if you need to, or if you want to, or if you just want to check it out on yourself, look it up on Google, go check it out. And I'm telling you, you ain't gonna want to go back. Once you see how it works, you're not gonna want to go back. Catch you in the next video. Peace.